Welcome to Biology Tutor. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get updated videos. Every day, I will upload videos at Indian Standard Time 6 p.m. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the book is available in the description. Today, we are going to discuss about Model Question Paper 22. This question paper consists of 100 MCQs and answers and detailed explanation. First question, which is the major pathway for conversion of amino acids into structurally related aldehydes of significant flavor value in food? Polyphenol oxidase activity, Maillard reaction, lipid oxidation, Strucker degradation. Here answer is option D, Strucker degradation. Second question, which of the following pairs correctly matches a fermented food with its primary microbial organism? Sauerkraut, Penicillium camemberti, kimchi, Lactobacillus plantarum, miso, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, natto, Aspergillus niger. Your answer is option B, kimchi, Lactobacillus plantarum. Third question, which food additive is primarily used as an anti-caking agent? Sodium benzoate, silicon dioxide, potassium sorbate, ascorbic acid. Your answer is option B, silicon dioxide. Fourth question, which fermented food is most prone to contamination by Listeria monocytogenes due to inadequate salting or improper storage? Pickles, kimchi, soft ripened cheese, yogurt. Your answer is option C, soft ripened cheese. Fifth question, the characteristics earthy aroma of miso is primarily due to the compound geosmin, ethanol, isovaleric acid, pyrazines. Your answer is option D, pyrazines. Sixth question, assertion, acidophilus milk is recommended for lactose intolerant individuals. Reason, Lactobacillus acidophilus breaks down lactose into lactic acid, aiding digestion. Here both assertion and reason are true and R explains A, which is the correct answer. Here both are true. So here answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and R explains A. Seventh question, assertion. Psychotrophic bacteria can spoil food at refrigeration temperatures. Reason, psychotrophs thrive in low oxygen environments. Which is the answer? Your answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 8. UHT processing involves heating milk at 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, 135 degrees Celsius for 2 seconds, 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Your answer is option C, 135 degrees Celsius for 2 seconds. Food Safety Officer book is available with thousands MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. Ninth question, assertion. Homogenization prevents the separation of cream from milk. Reason, homogenization reduces the size of fat globules in milk. Assertion is false but reason is true. Both assertion and reason are true but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Here which is the correct answer? Your answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 10th question. The most common method to measure protein quality is PER, Geldal method, STS page, HPLC. Your answer is option A. Protein efficiency ratio. 11th question. Which vitamin is often produced in increased quantities during the fermentation of kimchi? Vitamin B12, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E. Your answer is option B, vitamin C. 12th question, assertion. High performance liquid chromatography is used for food analysis. Reason, HPLC can separate compounds based on their molecular weights. Here which is the correct answer over here? Here reason is incorrect. So answer is option A. Sorry, here option C is correct. A is true but R is false. 13th question. Which zoonotic disease is caused by Coxiella burnetii? Q fever, brucellosis, leptospirosis, rabies? Your answer is option A, Q fever. 14th question. Which of the following is a parasite affecting poultry? Taenia solium, Eimeria species, Fasciola hepatica, Toxoplasma gondii? Your answer is option B, Eimeria species, which causes coccidiosis in poultry. 15th question. Which of the following methods is most suitable for preserving food with a high fat content? Pasteurization, vacuum packaging, radiation sterilization, freeze drying? Your answer is option B, vacuum packaging. 16th question. In the production of beer, the malting process involves boiling barley with hops, fermenting malted barley with yeast, germination and drying of barley grains, milling and steeping barley. Your answer is option C, germination and drying of barley grains. 17th question. Which food packaging material provides the best barrier against oxygen and moisture? Polyethylene, aluminum foil, polyvinyl chloride, polystyrene? Your answer is option B, aluminum foil. 18th question. High pressure processing is ineffective against vegetative bacterial cells, viruses, bacterial spores, yeasts? Your answer is option C, bacterial spores. 19th question. The byproduct responsible for the distinct alcoholic tang in sourdough breads is ethanol, acetaldehyde, butyric acid, lactic acid? Your answer is option A, ethanol. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link is available in the description. You can directly purchase through the Amazon link. 20. Which type of toxin is responsible for botulism? Endotoxin, neurotoxin, enterotoxin, exotoxin? Your answer is option B, neurotoxin. 21. In fermentation, the term black sloping refers to pasteurization of starter culture, mixing new and old fermentation batches, adding artificial preservatives, continuous stirring during fermentation. Your answer is option B, mixing new and old fermentation batches. 22. Which spoilage organism is typically responsible for ropey bread? Bacillus subtilis and Bacillus licheniformis, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Penicillium species, Lactobacillus brevis? Your answer is option A, Bacillus subtilis and Bacillus licheniformis. 23. A fermented beverage produced using Aspergillus oryzae and Saccharomyces cerevisiae is kombucha, shake, kefir, kvass? Your answer is option B, shake. 24. Which of the following is a major concern regarding the spoilage of fermented sausages like salami? Growth of Bacillus cereus, production of nitrosamines, excessive lactic acid production, contamination with E. coli? Your answer is option B, production of nitrosamines. 25. Which of the following is the main component of whey protein? Casein, albumin, lactoglobulin, alpha lactalbumin? Your answer is option C, beta lactoglobulin. 26. Cancer causing culprits in grilled foods are HCAs, PAHs, sodium bicarbonate, both A and B? Your answer is option D, both A and B. Heterocyclic amines and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are chemicals formed when muscle meat, including beef, pork, fish, or poultry, is cooked using high temperature methods such as pan frying or grilling directly over an open flame. In laboratory experiments, HCAs and PAHs have been found to be mutagenic. That is, they cause changes in DNA that may increase the risk of cancer. 27. The shelf life of butter is extended by adding salt, sugar, potassium sorbate, calcium carbonate. Your answer is option A, salt. 28. Which vitamin is a coenzyme in amino acid metabolism? Vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, vitamin D? Your answer is option B, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 is active in its coenzyme form of pyridoxal phosphate and functions in the formation and breakdown of amino acids. 29. Which of the following is a polyunsaturated fatty acid? oleic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid, palmitic acid? Your answer is option B, linoleic acid. 30. In spectrophotometry, Beers-Lambert's law relates absorbance to wavelength and temperature, concentration and path length, solvent and pH, temperature and solubility. Your answer is option B, concentration and path length. 31. Which disease is transmitted by ticks in cattle? Anthrax, foot and mouth disease, babesiosis, Q fever. Your answer is option C, babesiosis. 32. Milk fever in dairy cattle is caused by a deficiency of magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, potassium. Your answer is option B, calcium. 33. Which zoonotic disease can be transmitted through raw milk? Tetanus, tuberculosis, botulism, leptospirosis. Your answer is option B, tuberculosis. Bovine tuberculosis can infect humans, and the most common route of infection is from drinking raw unpasteurized milk or eating dairy products made from raw milk. 34. Rinderpest primarily affects which species? Poultry, swine, cattle, goats. Your answer is option C, cattle. 35. Which of the following is not a function of dietary fiber in food products? Adding bulk to the diet, enhancing water retention, acting as an emulsifier, slowing the absorption of sugar. Your answer is option C, acting as an emulsifier. 36. The Ames test is used to determine antibiotic resistance in bacteria, mutagenic potential of a compound, the growth rate of bacteria, microbial diversity in a sample. Your answer is option B, mutagenic potential of a compound. 37. In microbial culture media, agar serves as a nutrient source, a solidifying agent, a buffer, a pH indicator. Your answer is option B, a solidifying agent. 38. Which milk enzyme is responsible for hydrolyzing lactose into glucose and galactose? Lipase, lactase, protease, amylase. Your answer is option B, lactase. 39. Which of the following is a defect in milk caused by psychotrophic bacteria? Lipolysis, bitter taste, rancidity, all of the above. Your answer is option D, all of the above. 40. Casein micelles in milk are stabilized by calcium phosphate, hydrophobic interactions, beta-lactoglobulin, whey proteins. Your answer is option A, calcium phosphate. 41. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. 41. The main antioxidant present in green tea is ascorbic acid, catechins, beta-carotene, tocopherols. Your answer is option B, catechins. 42. Which method is used for the analysis of fat in food samples? Geldal method, Sockless extraction, Dumas method, HPLC. Your answer is option B, Sockless extraction. 43. Iodine value is a measure of unsaturation in fats and oils, peroxide formation, melting point, fatty acid chain length. Your answer is option A, unsaturation in fats and oils. 44. The causative agent of mad cow disease is virus, bacteria, prion, fungus. Your answer is option C, prions. 45. Which food additive is used as a stabilizer in ice cream production? Sodium alginate, ascorbic acid, potassium bromate, benzoic acid. Your answer is option A, sodium alginate. 46. Which of the following is used to measure the viscosity of food products? Refractometer, rheometer, spectrophotometer, colorimeter. Your answer is option B, rheometer. 47. Spray drying is commonly used for concentrating fruit juices, producing powdered milk, curing meats, freezing vegetables. Your answer is option B, producing powdered milk. 48. The presence of bitty cream in milk is caused by high acidity, lipase activity, proteolysis, presence of calcium soap. Your answer is option B, lipase activity. 49. Which of the following is an emulsifier used in cream processing? Lecithin, sodium bicarbonate, potassium sorbate, citric acid. Here answer is option A, lecithin. 50. The blue color in Roquefort cheese is due to Penicillium roqueforti, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Lactobacillus delbruecae, Geotrichum candidum. Here answer is option A, Penicillium roqueforti. 51. The glycemic index measures the calorific content of foods, the rate of carbohydrate absorption, the protein quality of foods, the energy expenditure after a meal. Here answer is option B, the rate of carbohydrate absorption. 52. The Benedict's test is used to detect the presence of fats, reducing sugars, proteins, starch. Your answer is option B, reducing sugars. 53. The calorific value of fats is approximately 4 kilocalorie per gram, 5, 7, 9. Your answer is option D, 9 kilocalorie per gram. 54. The causative agent of foot and mouth disease in cattle is virus, bacteria, fungus, protozoa. Your answer is option A, virus. 55. Which vitamin is synthesized by ruminants in their rumen? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin D. Your answer is option C, vitamin B12. 56. Which of the following vaccines is used to prevent brucellosis in cattle? BCG, RB51, RBV2, PCV13. Your answer is option B, RB51. 57. Which mineral is associated with white muscle disease in livestock? Iron, selenium, calcium, magnesium. Your answer is option B, selenium. 58. The spoilage of bread by Rhizopus stolonifer is referred to as slimy rot, black rot, green mold, white spot rot. Your answer is option B, black mold. 59. The term coliform bacteria is often used as an indicator of spoilage in canned foods, fecal contamination in water, yeast growth in beverages, pathogenic molds in grains. Your answer is option B, fecal contamination in water. 60. The process of removing fat from milk is known as homogenization, standardization, skimming, pasteurization. Your answer is option C, skimming. 61. Casein, the primary protein in milk, is classified as a globular protein, fibrous protein, conjugated protein, phosphoprotein. Your answer is option D, phosphoprotein. 62. Which parasite is commonly found in improperly cooked fish? Taenia saginata, Diphyllobothrium latum, Echinococcus granulosus, Ascaris lumbricoides. Your answer is option B, Diphyllobothrium latum. 63. The causative agent of tuberculosis in cattle is Mycobacterium leprae, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Mycobacterium bovis, Mycobacterium avium. Your answer is option C, Mycobacterium bovis. 64. The process of fermentation in bread making primarily produces alcohol and acetic acid, carbon dioxide and lactic acid, alcohol and carbon dioxide, lactic acid and ethanol. Here answer is option C, alcohol and carbon dioxide. 65. Retort packaging is mainly used for fresh fruits and vegetables, heat sterilized foods, dairy products, frozen foods. Your answer is option B, heat sterilized foods. 66. Listeria monocytogenes is primarily associated with which type of foodborne illness? Acute gastroenteritis, meningitis and septicemia, botulism, cholera. It is used to cause meningitis and septicemia. So here answer is option B, meningitis and septicemia. Question number 67. Eating polar bear liver may cause vitamin poisoning in humans known as hypervitaminosis A, avitaminosis A, vitaminemia, hypocalcemia. Your answer is option A, hypervitaminosis A. 68. Which bacterium is used as a probiotic in many fermented dairy products? Streptococcus pyogenes, Escherichia coli, Lactobacillus rhamnosus, Salmonella enterica. Your answer is option C, Lactobacillus rhamnosus. 69. Which statement is true about biofilms in food processing? They are easily removed by detergents. They only form on organic surfaces. They provide a protective environment for pathogens. They are beneficial for all fermentation process. Your answer is option C. They provide a protective environment for pathogens. 70. Assertion. Heat stable toxins produced by Bacillus cereus cannot be destroyed by normal cooking temperatures. Reason. These toxins are proteinaceous in nature and denature at low heat. Your answer is option C. A is true but R is false. 71. In the production of ice cream, overrun refers to the time taken for freeze the mixture, the amount of air incorporated, the fat content in the mixture, the sugar to water ratio. Your answer is option B, the amount of air incorporated. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. 72. The iodine value of a fat or oil measures free fatty acids, degree of unsaturation, saponification capacity, oxidation potential. Your answer is option B, degree of unsaturation. 73. Cell's most common form of energy is glycogen, lipids, ATP, nucleotides. Your answer is option C, ATP. 74. Assertion. Vitamin C deficiency leads to scurvy. Reason. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis. Which is the correct answer over here? We have already discussed this matter in the previous question paper. So here answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 75. Brucellosis is transmitted to humans through airborne droplets, contact with infected animals or their products, mosquito bites, contaminated water. Your answer is option B, contact with infected animals or their products. 76. The major zoonotic pathogen in raw poultry meat is Campylobacter jejuni, Clostridium botulinum, Vibrio cholerae, Bacillus anthracis. Your answer is option A, Campylobacter jejuni. 77. The term zoonotic diseases refers to diseases only affecting animals, transmitted between animals and humans, caused by environmental toxins, spread through insect vectors. Your answer is option B, transmitted between animals and humans. 78. Which of the following process ensures the longest shelf life for fruit juices? Pasteurization, ultrasonication, aseptic packaging, fermentation. Your answer is option C, aseptic packaging. 79. The primary reason for using modified atmosphere packaging is in food is to enhance flavor, prolong shelf life, reduce production cost, improve aesthetic appeal. Your answer is option B, prolong shelf life. Question number 80. Assertion. Cryogenic freezing is faster than conventional freezing. Reason. Cryogenic freezing uses liquid nitrogen at extremely low temperatures. Here, which is the answer? Your answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 81. Which of the following is a primary byproduct of sugar manufacturing? Molasses, dextrins, pectin, whey. Your answer is A. Molasses. 82. Which of the following media is selected for Salmonella and Shigella agar? Salmonella and Shigella, EMB agar, Hecton enteric agar, McCongie agar, blood agar. Your answer is option B, Hecton enteric agar. 83. Ghee is classified as which type of dairy product? Fermented product, non-fat milk product, concentrated fat product, whey product. Your answer is option C, concentrated fat product. 84. Which test is commonly used to detect adulteration in milk? Babcock test, phosphatase test, Rizazurin test, clot on boiling test. Your answer is option A, Babcock test. 85. A bomb calorimeter is used to measure vitamin content, calorific value, protein digestibility, fat content. Your answer is option B, calorific value. 86. Assertion. High levels of LDL cholesterol are considered a risk factor for cardiovascular diseases. Reason. LDL cholesterol facilitates the deposition of cholesterol in arteries. Which is the correct answer over here? Your answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 87. Which animal disease is commonly referred to as foot and mouth disease? Blue tongue, vesicular stomatitis, rinderpest, aphthous fever. Your answer is option D. Aphthous fever. 88. Assertion. Rabies can only be transmitted through animal bites. Reason. Rabies virus is present in the saliva of infected animals, which is the correct answer over here. Your answer is option D. A is false and reason is true. 89. Which thermal process is primarily aimed at destroying Clostridium botulinum spores in canned foods? Pasteurization, sterilization, blanching, irradiation. Your answer is option B. Sterilization. 90. What is the primary purpose of blanching vegetables before freezing? Enhance color retention, reduce microbial load, inactivate enzymes, all of the above. Your answer is option D. All of the above. 91. Which of the following additives is commonly used to prevent rancidity in fats? Sodium benzoate, BHT, ascorbic acid, potassium sorbate. Your answer is option B. BHT. 92. Which of the following is an example of a thermophilic spore-forming bacterium? Bacillus cereus, Clostridium botulinum, Geobacillus stereothermophilus, E. coli. Your answer is option C. Geobacillus stereothermophilus. 93. Which bacteria is used as the indicator in autoclave efficiency? Bacillus cereus, Clostridium botulinum, Geobacillus stereothermophilus, E. coli. Your answer is option C. Geobacillus stereothermophilus. 94. Assertions. Foliage caused by molds is less common in refrigerator foods. Reason. Molds are unable to grow at low temperatures. Which is the correct answer over here? Your answer is option C. A is true, but reason is false. 95. Assertion. High fructose corn syrup is widely used in food products. HFCs is sweeter and less expensive than sucrose. Which is the correct answer? Your answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 96. The Biuret test is used to identify carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, minerals. Your answer is option C. Proteins. 97. In livestock, ketosis is primarily caused by vitamin deficiency, mineral imbalance, energy deficiency, protein overload. Your answer is option C. Energy deficiency. 98. In assertion, antibiotic residues in animal products are a major concern in food safety. Reason. Antibiotic residues can lead to antimicrobial resistance in humans. Which is the correct answer over here? Your answer is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. 99. Which breed of cattle is known for the highest milk production? Jersey, Holstein Friesian, Guernsey, Ayrshire. Your answer is HF, Holstein Friesian. Food Safety Officer book is available with 1000 MCQs from all sections. You can contact these numbers. Amazon link to purchase the same is available in the description. Last question of this session. Question number 100. Which of the following is not considered a Huddle technology principle in food preservation? High temperature, high pressure, ionizing radiation, carbonation. Your answer is option D. Carbonation. Thank you. If you like this channel, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notifications.